So my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is Fold It Club time. Now, as you all know, the Fold Its have taken the world by storm. Am I right? Everyone is loving the shaped cards. And this one is no exception. And the Fold It Club has become so incredibly popular. Well, let me share with you what the Fold It is this month. It is our cute little adorable sea turtle. Now, this sea turtle comes with a lot of extra little goodies. So here you have the regular sea turtle. And then you have little spots, so if you wanted to add little spots. Then you have this background shell that has like the hexagon shape if you want. So that's optional because, are you ready for this? The stencil itself has lots of different options. You could stencil on the hexagons, you could stencil on these fun little pieces, you could stencil on this swirl or little spots on his legs, lots and lots of options. Now, as you know, it also comes with 2 stencils. So here's another stencil that it comes with, and these are wavy lines to be the ocean, the bottom of the ocean or the inside of the ocean, with a fun curve here, a fun curve here, and lots of fun curves all the way around. So much fun. Now, of course, you get a handy dandy postcard to check out all these awesome ideas, but don't worry, there's lots of ideas also on our website. Are you ready to see all these fun ideas? Well, first, let's just show how cute this one is. Of course, Michelle always does a little stuffy. Here's a cute little stuffy made out of our little turtle. Here's a cute one. Look at this one. Look how fun that is. So you could do the die like this, or you could do the die and you could add that back in, so you have lots of options. Look how cute that is. And see, the spots are optional as well. So you're going to have lots of different options. And look at the total different color combinations, right? Look at that. Now, ooh, now here, let's get another one. Oh, and you can also put it on a card if you wanted to. Optional, optional, right? Then here's another one. And I'm loving all of these different color options that I have. So my sea turtle doesn't have to be green. He doesn't have to be just brown. He can be fun colors like this one, a pretty green like this one if you wanted to. And you can also go a little avant-garde, and I love this one because look at how gorgeous that is. Look at those stunning colors with the foil, adding in the glitter pieces. Absolutely love it. Now, Fold It Club members, guess what? Yours are going to be shipped to you very, very soon, and you are going to absolutely love this one. Now, when you create something using your sea turtle, please make sure you upload it to our online gallery so everyone can see it, because we all like to share, and you can comment on people's projects that they've made, and it's so much fun. So make sure you're in the Fold It Club. If you're not, you can't buy this on the website. You cannot buy this on the website. It is not available. It won't be available for a minimum of 1 year or more. So if you like this, join the Fold It Club now. The minimum commitment's only 3 months, but you know what? You're going to want to stay in longer because it's so much fun. And on your anniversary of 1 year, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. Yay! So fun. Make sure you check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Go click on Join the Club. Just check it out just to see what's there, because you know what? I have a feeling we might have a club just for you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.